Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if your Google Chrome web browser's search engine is changing to Bing search engine, how to change it back to Google or a different search engine, whatever your preferences is. I show you guys how to do that. Open up Chrome, click on this three dot icon and select settings. On left side select search engine, on right side under the search engine used in the address bar, click on this drop down and select Google Chrome or any other search engine you using it. I'm gonna select Google, and after selecting this, now all you have to do is relaunch the Chrome, and after that now the search engine is back to Google, guys. That's all you have to do it, guys. That's it for today's video, guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.